Okay, introduce yourself.
My name is Ritu Fadnis. Currently, I am working in one of the MNC company in Pune. I do have total 6 years of experience, and currently I'm working in insurance domain, and I'm looking for a good opportunity to get in automation testing.
Okay. So what is the difference between driver.close and driver.quit?
Yeah. So if you use driver.close, it will going to close the current tab. And if you use a driver.quit method, then it will going to close all the tabs that are open by Selenium,
Okay.
including the current tab, whichever is available.
Okay. What is get window handle and get window handles?
Okay, so we use it in parent child. What are the windows are there or pop-ups are there? So when we are in the parent window, so that time to access or to utilize or use that particular window to work on different web element available on that parent window, we used to have this get window handle. And if you want to use or switch from parent to child, so that time we use this get window handles, this particular method.
Okay. How
In
to
that also,
okay, continue.
so in that also we do have different method that we can use. If you want to come from that child window to the parent window, that time you can use a default content method, so that you can switch from your child to parent, or you can also use switch to parent window to child window. So that time you have to use that particular path. So switch to dot child, that also you can use. But if you want to immediately come to the main parent windows, you can use that default parent window.
Okay. So how to handle hover over?
To handle hover, or we can use actions class. Okay, so using that we can do different kind of actions, or we can perform different actions. For example, if you want to right click or double click, or to perform any different actions, like for that we are having this action class. Actions, any particular variable name is equal to new actions, and whatever the name you are giving to the driver. And after that, using that particular variable name, you can perform any, like for example, move to element dot perform. That kind of different actions you can perform using this for this overall.
Okay. So how to check if a given element is displayed or not displayed?
Given element is displayed or not displayed. So this comes under different methods of web element, we can say. And here, if that particular web element is there or not, or we can say present or not, that time we use this is displayed method. Okay, that time this written type of this particular is displayed is boolean. So if you want to check any particular web element, just perform or find out the path, or using any particular locator, you can just locate that element, and then you can use this is displayed method on that. And if you want to check the answer, you can give true or false. Is if that result is equal to true, then you can have particular message for the same, or if it is not, then also you can give any particular message.
Okay. So what is test-ng?
TestNG is a framework. We can or we can have this particular TestNG mainly to focus, or we can use this to help us give different kind of reports. Using TestNG, it is going to help you to perform different it is having its own capabilities to perform like browser testing or parallel testing or data driven testing. So we can use this test engine framework for that, and it will help you to give us basically reports, we can say. That is the main purpose of having this test engine, and we can keep all the test cases in a sorted manner over here.
Okay. Can test ng have a negative priority?
Yes, we can have it. Negative means -1, you are saying?
Yes.
Yes, we can have it.
Okay. So what is a data-driven testing?
Data driven testing, we can say here that if we want to work on or whatever the test cases we are writing for that, if we are keeping any particular Excel sheet or CSV file, okay, so to work on that particular test data, we can use this data driven testing framework, so that you can utilize or keep that particular sheet, and whatever the inputs or whatever the test data you have created in that sheet, you can use it multiple times, and you can perform actions as per the requirement in the data driven testing framework.
Okay. So what is a parallel testing and cross-browser testing?
Okay, so if we want to perform, if you want to do testing on different browsers at one by one, that time we are saying that it is a on different browser. If you want to do testing one by one, then we are saying that it is a cross-browser testing. If you are performing any testing on any application or on any browser at a time, so that time we are saying parallel testing. And parallel testing is going to be, sorry, cross browser testing is going to take more time than parallel testing. But depend on requirement and as per the need, we can perform any type of testing.
Okay. What is test ng listener?
Test engine listener, as the name suggests, it listens to the events, or you can say the actions that are performed in the Selenium code. And in that, we mostly use iTest listener. We have different type of listeners like iTest listener. Then we are having iHookable. Then we are having I execution, I configuration, I suit. Then these are the different listener types are there. But basically, we are using iTest listener in
Okay.
mode.
Hmm. Okay. What is I retry analyzer?
I
Retry analyzer.
I retry analyzer, it is used to analyze what are the validations are there, and we try to work on different tests. We try to work on test cases, and it will, if it is failing, okay, then it will again try to check what why these actions are performing. So that time it is again trying. This is I try listeners. It will again, or you can say multiple time. It is going to check that particular event, whatever is happening for that particular code.
Okay. What is GitHub?
GitHub is a repository, we can say, and it is basically used for any company or to particular project team to keep your code, or we can say collaborate at a one particular place, so that whatever it is helpful for particular coder, or we can say developer, if data is or code is lost, or we can say it something is missed by any particular unknown reason, we can use or we can keep that particular code in one particular repository that we are seeing as GitHub, where we can retrieve the code from there and we can push code over there. And as a team, we can collaboratively work in a sync, you can say.
Hmm. Okay. What is Jenkins?
Jenkins is I actually read, but currently I'm not able to recall. Jenkins is like we can say CI/CD is continuous integration and continuous development tool where whatever the we have repository or we have kept in that GitHub, so that is going to be used by Jenkins using that particular tool.
Mhm.
That's what I can recall for now.
Okay. How to take a screenshot?
How to take screenshot. So to take screenshot, we can use text screenshot, that particular interface. With that, we can have that get screenshot as method, and using that, we can have that source and destination, that particular class file over there, where in the destination, in the source, we can give the path to that particular screenshot where we are going to keep it, and in the in the destination it will going to be uh, downloaded, or you can say we are going to get it, and using file utils, that particular class method copy file, we can keep that particular screenshot over there.
Okay. Okay. Write a program to take the screenshot of Amazon homepage.
Okay, I need to then share screen.
Yes. Open Eclipse, share your screen.
Give me a minute. I'm opening my Eclipse, just a moment. I will share screen.
Mhm.
Is my screen visible to you?
Yeah, it is visible.
Okay, I will just create one.
I don't know.
Ishan, I have not done practice because I thought it's a Viva, but this is what I can right now remember.
Okay, okay, I will share you this program.
Yeah, I just done for Viva. I thought it will not going to, but I'm sure that we are using this interface and this get screenshot as method, and we have this to source and destination using file utils method. We can have that. This is what I can recall for now.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay, okay. Shall I close this sharing?
yeah, sure.
Mm. Okay, what? How to do double click?
How to do double
Double.
click?
Yes.
We can have that using, I think, actions class. We can use double click.
Okay.
Or we can also use key functionalities, I think, different keys functionality, or either using robot class.
Okay.
I think key functionality, we can use it, key functionalities. Like we can
Usually
use
for
key
double click, we use actions class. Then after that, the reference variable action class dot double click dot perform.
Yes.
Inside the double click, there will be the reference variable of the web element interface.
Yeah. Double click dot perform of double click dot build dot perform. We can use anything.
Yeah, only double click dot perform. That actions class reference variable dot or double click inside the parenthesis, it will be web element reference variable dot perform.
Right. Right.
Okay. Okay, Ritu, thank you. Theoretically, you are good. Program, you need practice.
I thought it's just Viva, so I haven't practiced, but I just
Okay.
went through the notes.
Okay, you can still perform better than this. And
Yeah,
you have
sure.
today, this is, you are not at your 100% potential. You watch mock videos and you can still perform better than this. And you have
Yeah,
tremendous scope to reach, to clear interviews and reach top posts in jobs.
yeah,
Okay, thank
yes,
you.
thank you. Yeah. So when I